Okay, so we're building frosting onto a donut thing, right? So I'm guessing, yeah, okay. So let's try it this way. I'm going to do an offset surface of that. Sure, 0.1 inches, that's fine. Then I'm going to, on the front plane, sketch, I don't know, some frosting looking stuff. And then I might have to like play around with that a little bit. Sure. Then I'm going to go to surfaces and trim the surface with my sketch. So I got to pick standard, make sure my sketch is picked, and then I can either keep things, like I want to keep this one, or I can remove other stuff, right?
Yeah,
like,
that definitely works a lot better.
I'm not saying it's the only way to do it, but that's certainly one way you could do this. The next thing is going to be, well, how do you like connect these things together? Because right now I have like a surface and another surface. I can use that same sketch to trim this other, like the inside surface, and I want to like keep the bottom, and then I should be able to actually like loft these two things together, and now they're all connected. Now I have like a frosting covered donut thing, and then on top of this you could put your sprinkles, and now it's like the best of both worlds. I think it should eventually. I usually don't fill it until I make it a solid again, so like eventually combine all this stuff together, knit them. If it didn't, hold on a second, it's still a surface body.
I don't know if there's a bottom.
Oh, is there not a bottom?
I don't think I added a bottom. Or maybe I did. No, I take it back.
Let me go back into that. Why won't it let me make a solid out of you guys? Alright, you know what? Ignore it for now. It's like, I kind of wanted to see... Yeah, there we go. Like, that helps. Anyway, that's, I think, another way you could do the... Yeah, and you're kind of like using what you already had built, that like inner surface, offsetting something and then trimming it is a really good way to like build on something you already have.
And then going about making the sprinkles, would I do those? What do you think would the best be?
Yeah, I don't know. It might be easiest to just like sketch a sprinkly looking thing. So like.
Harley, again, I was always messing up with
I'm gonna revolve this as a solid. Like there's my sprinkle, and then
just move it.
Yeah, and then like go in here to move and copy bodies. Like where do you want to move that? I'm gonna move it over here. And I don't think it lets you, yeah, Solidworks is stupid, it won't let you rotate and move at the same time. So you have to like rotate it and then go in and move it so that it's close and say okay.
Oh,
okay. Yeah, like I would just do that a bunch of times. When you do this move copy thing, if copy box is checked, it will do your move and also like it copies it. And that can be frustrating because like if you're moving things and that box is accidentally checked, you have like copies of everything. You're like, why do I have so many copies?
It would also be good if I didn't have to make the sprinkle a million times.
Exactly. So that's what I would do.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.